When it's time to access elements in an array, you use square brackets with the index of the element you want, as you can see in the following example. Dinosaurs 0. T-Rex. Dinosaurs 3. Triceratops. An index is the number that corresponds to or matches the spot in the array where a value is stored. Just as with strings, the first element in an array is at index 0, the second is at index 1, the third at index 2, and so on. That's why asking for index 0 from the dinosaurs array returns T-Rex, which is first in the list, and index 3 returns Triceratops, which is fourth in the list. It's useful to be able to access individual elements from an array. For example, if you just wanted to show someone your absolute favorite dinosaur, you wouldn't need the whole dinosaurs array. Instead, you would just want the first element. Dinosaurs 0. T-Rex. You can use indexes in square brackets to set, change, or even add elements to an array. For example, to replace the first element in the dinosaurs array T-Rex with Tyrannosaurus Rex, you could do this. Dinosaurs 0 equals Tyrannosaurus Rex. After you've done that, the dinosaurs array would look like this. Tyrannosaurus Rex, Velociraptor, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Trinodon, Apatosaurus, Diplodocus, Compsognathus. You can also use square brackets with indexes to add new elements to an array. For example, here's how you could create the dinosaurs array by setting each element individually with square brackets. var dinosaurs equals dinosaurs 0 equals T-Rex, dinosaurs 1 equals Velociraptor, dinosaurs 2 equals Stegosaurus, dinosaurs 3 equals Triceratops, dinosaurs 4 equals Brachiosaurus, dinosaurs 5 equals Trinodon, dinosaurs 6 equals Apatosaurus, dinosaurs 7 equals Diplodocus, dinosaurs 8 equals Compsognathus. Dinosaurs. T-Rex, Velociraptor, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Trinodon, Apatosaurus, Diplodocus, Compsognathus. First we create an empty array with var dinosaurs equals. Then, with each following line we add a value to the list with a series of dinosaurs. Entries, from index 0 to index 8. Once we finish the list, we can view the array by typing dinosaurs. We see that JavaScript has stored all the names ordered according to the indexes. You can actually add an element at any index you want. For example, to add a new made-up dinosaur at index 33, you could write the following. Dinosaurs 33 equals Velociraptor. Dinosaurs. T-Rex, Velociraptor. Stegosaurus. Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Trinodon. Apatosaurus. Diplodocus, Compsognathus, undefined 24 Velociraptor. The elements between indexes 8 and 33 will be undefined. When you output the array, Chrome helpfully tells you how many elements were undefined, rather than listing them all individually. Array elements don't all have to be the same type. For example, the next array contains a number 3, a string dinosaurs. An array Triceratops, Stegosaurus, 3627.5. And another number. 10. var dinosaur sum numbers equals 3. Dinosaurs, Triceratops, Stegosaurus, 3627.5. 10. To access an individual element in this array's inner array, you would just use a second set of square brackets. For example, while dinosaur sum numbers 2 returns the entire inner array, dinosaur sum numbers 20 returns only the first element of that inner array, which is Triceratops. Dinosaur sum numbers 2 Triceratops. Stegosaurus, 3627.5. Dinosaur sum numbers 20 Triceratops. When we type dinosaur sum numbers 20, we tell JavaScript to look at index 2 of the array dinosaur sum numbers, which contains the array Triceratops, Stegosaurus, 3627.5, and to return the value at index 0 of that second array. Index 0 is the first value of the second array, which is Triceratops. Figure 3:1 shows the index positions for this array. Figure 3:1. Th. Index positions of the main array are labeled in red, and the indexes of the inner array are labeled in blue. Properties and methods help you work with arrays. Properties generally tell you something about the array, and methods usually do something to change the array or return a new array. Let's have a look. Adding dinosaurs to your dinosaurs array, you might forget how many dinosaurs you have. The length property of an array tells you how many elements there are in the array. To find the length of an array, just add .length to the end of its name. Let's try it out. First, we'll make a new array with 3 elements. var maniacs equals Yako, Wako, dot. Maniacs 0. Yako. Maniacs 1. Wako. Maniacs 2. Dot. To find the length of the array, add .length to maniacs. Maniacs.length. 3 JavaScript tells us that there are 3 elements in the array, and we already know they have the index positions 0, 1, and 2. This gives us a useful piece of information. The last index in an array is always the same number as the length of the array minus 1. This means that there is an easy way to access the last element in an array, however long that array is. Maniacs.length 1. Dot. Here, we're asking JavaScript for an element from our array. But instead of entering an index number in the square brackets, we use a little bit of math. The length of the array minus 1. JavaScript finds maniacs.length, gets 3, and then subtracts 1 to get 2. Then it returns the element from index 2, the last maniac in the array, dot. Push. Dot push. Followed by the element you want to add inside parentheses, like this. var animals equals animals.push cat. 1 animals.push dog. 2 animals.push llama. 3 animals. Cat, dog, llama. Animals.length. 3. Here we create an empty array with var animals equals, and then use the push method to add cat to the array. Then, we use push again to add on dog, and then llama. When we display animals, we see that cat, dog, and llama were added to the array in the same order we entered them. The act of running a method in computer speak is known as calling the method. When you call the push method, two things happen. First, the element in parentheses is added to the array. Second, the new length of the array is returned. That's why you see those numbers printed out every time you call push. To add an element to the beginning of an array, you can use unshift element, like this. Animals. Cat, dog, llama. Animals 0. Cat. Animals. Unshift monkey. 4 animals. Monkey, cat, dog, llama. Animals. Unshift polar bear. 5 animals. Polar bear, monkey, cat, dog, llama. Animals 0. Polar bear. Animals 2. Cat. Again, unshift returns the new length of the array each time it is called, just like push. Pop. Name. The pop method can be particularly